Hello everyone, my name is Mursyidi Albi Wijaya, but you can call me Albi. I'm NPM 25412054, class accounting 25. Today, I will explain the fundamental concept in economics, demand and supply. This topic is essential as it forms the fundamentals to understand how market work and how price of goods or service are determined. We will discuss the financial factor affect demand and supply curve and how their interaction determine market price. Definition of demand. Demand refers to the quantity of goods or service that consumers want and are able to buy at different price level during a certain period. It is important to understand that demand involves not just desire but also the ability to purchase. Law of demand. The lower the price of a good, the greater the quantitative demand, and vice versa. For example, when the price of bread decreases, consumers tend to buy more bread. Factor affecting demand. Number one, price of the good itself. Price decrease, demand increase. Number two, consumer income. Actually, when income rise, demand rise for normal good. Number three, price of related good, substitute and complementary good affect demand. For example, if coffee price rise, demand for tea might increase substitute. If sugar price rise, demand for coffee might decrease complement. Number four, tastes and preferences. Trend or habit influence consumer preference. Number five, expense of feature price. If consumer expects price to rise, they tend to buy more now. Demand curve. The demand curve is a graph that shows the relationship between the price of a good and the quantitative demand in the market. Characteristic of the demand curve. It slopes downward from left to right bottom. It is so that high price means low demand, while low price means high demand. Change in the demand curve. If the price change moving occurs along the demand curve, change in quantitative demand. If other factors like income or preference change, the world demand curve shift. A shift to right means an increase in demand. A shift to left means a decrease. Definition of supply. Supply refers to the quantity of goods or service that producers are willing and able to offer for sale at various prices over a certain period. Law of the supply. The higher the price of a good, the greater the quantity supply and vice versa. For example, when the price of rice rise, farmers tend to supply for rice as profit increase. Factor affecting supply. Price of the good itself. Price increase, supply increase. Production cost. Higher cost reduce Supply because producers are less willing. Technology. Advanced technology increase efficiency and supply. Expectation about future price. If producer expects higher future price, they might withhold supply now. Number of produce. More producer in the market increase supply. Supply curve. The supply curve graphs the relationship between the price of a good and the quantitative supply by producer. Characteristic of the supply curve. Its slope upward from left bottom to right top. At higher price, producers are motivation to supply more because of higher potential profit. Movement and shift in the supply curve. A change in price causes movement along the supply curve. Change in quantity supply. A change in other factor causes the supply curve to shift right, increase or left decrease. Interaction of demand and supply. The market reaches equilibrium when the quantitative demand equals the quantitative supply. The price at this point is called the equilibrium price, and the quantitative is called the equilibrium quantitative. If the market price is above equilibrium, excess supply or supply occurs, producer low price to sell the surplus good. If the market price is below equilibrium, excess demand or shortage occurs, consumer competes to buy the limit good, pushing price up. This process continues until the price returns to the equilibrium point. This concludes the comprehensive explanation of the demand and supply concept from definition and factor to how their interaction determines market price. Understanding this topic is vital to grasp everyday economy dynamic and decision making in business and trade. This is all I can convey about the concept of supply and demand. If anything is unclear, please forgive me. I will provide a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching. Dadah!